Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki, known as the One-Handed Bandit, and I created this fall look using this very deep red shade. And if you want to see how I created this look, then definitely keep watching. Okay, so to begin, I have already concealed my forehead and I already did my eyebrows and also primed my eyelids. So I'm going in with the Morphe 35O2 palette, which looks like this, very deep fall shades. I am so ready for fall, so I decided to try a look today. And I am going in with the very first shade in the palette, which is called Universal, and I'm just going to add that in my crease. Next, I'm going in with the second shade in the palette, which is called Pure, and I'm just going to add that to my brow bone. Now that color doesn't seem like it's very pigmented, but I do go in and blend it out and you'll begin to see the pigmentation. So next I am going in with this very bright orange shade in the palette, and that is called Heat. Now that that's all blended out, I am going in with the next shade in the palette, which is also called Fire. So I'm adding fire to my outer V, and I'm also adding it all over my lid. Now I didn't like the way that that was beginning to look, so you'll see here in the next clip that I decided to cut the crease with this Ruby Kisses concealer in the shade Porcelain, and I'm just using that to carve out my crease. So I go back in with that crease color just to define the crease. And just to add a little bit more of definition to my eye. And then I do go back and blend that out. Now I'm going in with the shade Heat, and I'm going to add that to my outer V, and that's just a very, very deep burgundy shade. So didn't quite like the way that the burgundy was going, so I decided to just go ahead and do my lid shade, which is this shade called Polished, which is a shimmer shade, which is more like a rose gold coppery shade. and I go back over that shade with the black in the palette, and I show you that shade there. And then I go back in with polished and go back and forth between the shades and blending it all out just to make sure that it is a smooth transition between the two colors. And I also, instead of using eyeliner today, I decided to use that black as my eyeliner. So I'm just using it, just stamping it on to my lids as an eyeliner. So to spruce up this fall look, I decided to go in with some glitter liner, and this is a orange glitter liner. I am not sure the brand, but it's just a random eyeliner from Amazon. It came in a set of 10, and I'm just using that to add to my crease where I carved out my crease. So it's between the crease and the lid. So adding just a little bit more glitter, I'm going in with this silver glitter, and I'm adding that to the outer portion of my crease. So I did add my lashes off camera as well as my foundation and concealer, and just let me know if you want me to do the videos just a little bit more shorter without adding my foundation routine. But I am using the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. And as if I needed any more highlighter, I go in with a second highlighter, which is the Jackie Aina and Artist Couture highlighter in the shade Le Bronze. And I just add that to my cheeks as well. So now that we're all highlighted, let's go in with blush, and I'm using the Juvia's Paste blush in the shade Bella, and I'm just adding that to my cheeks and blending it all out. Now going back into the palette, I'm using that shade called Heat on my bottom lash line. And be sure to leave me a comment down below if you just prefer just the eye and the lip portion, not the face portion of the video. And just adding a little bit more heat just to deepen it up a little bit. Okay, so now we have our wig on. We're all set and ready to go. We're going to add our lip today, and I am using this Milani lipstick, and it is in the shade Emotion. I love this shade. I love deep burgundy shade lips, and the formula is very creamy. It's very comfortable. It's not drying. I know it does look shiny, but it does dry down to a very comfortable matte. I love these Milani liquid lipsticks, and they smell really good. They smell like vanilla cupcakes. So I'm just trying something new, trying to see what my viewers want, if they prefer the full video from start to finish as far as concealing my scar, brows, and everything. Leave me some comments down below, and if you have any special requests of any type of videos, be sure to leave that in the comment section as well. And also be sure to follow me on social media. as well. I left my information in the description box. And that is it for this video. I appreciate you all for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video.